Hello everyone, my name is Keshav and welcome to my channel. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to get more interesting videos. In most of the system, Python will be installed by default. To check Python installation, you can open command prompt and type python space hyphen hyphen version. If Python is already installed, it will display Python and its version. If it is not installed, then you can go to python.org website. There you can find the latest version of the Python. You can download it and install it. Once you confirm the Python installation in your system, then you can start practicing along with the videos. Python syntax can be executed directly in command prompt, or we can write a code in file and then we use Python command to execute that file. To run Python in command prompt, you can open command prompt and type Python press enter. You can get the Python interpreter. The one thing most important in Python is Python indentation. You need to be very careful with the indentation. The indentation will decide the block of code, the scope of that code. If you miss the indentation, it may give you errors or it may act differently. So we need to be very careful with the Python indentation. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos on Python. Thank you.